Ever pondered the intricate beauty of biodiversity? Or perhaps the sustainable practices of agriculture have intrigued you? Well, the market of good taste, the Slow Food Fair 2024 is right around the corner, and it's a veritable banquet of knowledge and innovation in these very fields. Taking place in the bustling city of Stuttgart, Germany from April 4th to 7th, this international exhibition is one of the largest of its kind. It's a meeting point for thought leaders, industry pioneers, and curious minds, all united under one banner: the pursuit of sustainable agriculture and biodiversity. At this exhibition, knowledge is as bountiful as the crops in a well-tended field. Attendees can immerse themselves in engaging workshops and educational seminars, all designed to enlighten and inspire. From the latest developments in agricultural techniques to innovative approaches in sustainable food production, the fair offers an enriching and enlightening experience. What makes this exhibition a must-attend event? It's the perfect opportunity to network and connect with industry leaders and passionate individuals. It's a chance to gain valuable insights and knowledge that can be applied to your own practices. And most importantly, it's a platform to contribute to the global conversation on biodiversity and sustainable agriculture. But to reap the benefits of this event, you need to secure your spot. Prepare your documents, gather your financial transactions for the past 6 months, and register your data. Remember, the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the knowledge and networking opportunities at the market of good taste. The Slow Food Fair 2024. In conclusion, the importance of biodiversity and sustainable agriculture cannot be overstated. The market of good taste, the Slow Food Fair. 2024 is a testament to this, an exhibition where knowledge blossoms and ideas are harvested. So, ready your documents, register your interest, and prepare to immerse yourself in this world of sustainability and biodiversity. After all, the future of food is in our hands.